Hello, students, and welcome to Division Word Excuse me. Hi, guys. Welcome to Division Word Problems Level 2. Okay, I want to talk about just 2 clue phrases that you're going to look for today, and those will help you know that you need to divide. You're going to look for anytime any problem asks you about equal pieces, it's a good chance you're going to need to divide. Also today, if each piece needs a certain amount, each piece needs blank, good chance you're going to need to divide. Okay, the first problem for today says Mary has 10 inches of string. She cut the string into 2 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece of string? Okay, so if you kind of think about it and draw it out as you go, you have your 10 inches here, from here to here, and you're going to cut it into 2 pieces. And then you need to figure out how long each piece is. Okay, so your clue word here, equal pieces, right? So you have your 10 inches, because in division, you always need to start with a big number. You're dividing into these 2 equal pieces, okay? And that would equal 5. Okay, some strategies from the lower levels will always work here. If you think about this as a backwards multiplication problem, you'll think blank times 2 equals 10. So 5 times 2 equals 10. Okay, the second problem for today says Sally has 12 inches of fabric. She's cutting the fabric into 3 pieces for her sewing project. What is the length of each piece of fabric? So you're taking a big number, 12 inches, and you're dividing it into 3 equal pieces. Okay, so you have 12 divided by these 3 areas here. And if you would like to use a strategy from the lower levels, you're dividing into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to put 12 things in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And you see you have 4 here, and 4 here. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, last one for today. And you're good to start your formative. Sam is making 12 bracelets out of string. He has 15 inches of string. Each bracelet needs 5 inches of string. How many bracelets can he make? So again, think about your division problem. You have your 15 inches. Okay? And now you're dividing by 5 inches of string. So you have divided by 5. And I like to use multiplication. I would think blank times 5 equals 15. And 3 times 5 would equals 15. So then I know 15 divided by 5 is also 3. All right, guys, good luck, and I'll see you later.